Hello, good evening from the pond. We're going to do a meditation practice together here from the dock at the pond on the ranch. So get into a comfortable meditation position where you can be seated and upright, supported and relaxed. And getting into that position now. Closing eyes if that's comfortable for you, or lowering your gaze. Receiving and taking in all the sounds around us right now in this beautiful outdoor water environment. Evening sounds of frogs, crickets, birds. The occasional sound of a fish, water flowing. And really feeling the body supported by earth underneath you. Feeling your feet. And your legs and your sit bones. Lower body grounded, steady. Night sounds, body, just like this in this moment. Knowing breath, the rise and fall of belly or chest. Air passing through throat or nose. Feeling the air coming in and the air going out. And perhaps sensing temperature of air. As you breathe in, is it cool and crisp? Perhaps warm. Maybe there's a quality of wet or dry in the environment that you are in. Just noticing this. And then perhaps hearing sound allowing all experience and returning back to breath. And perhaps investigating the entire inhalation and exhalation, knowing air as it passes through nose and throat, into lungs and belly, and being compressed back out again. Hearing sound and dropping any need to label the name of it, just receiving it. Just as we receive breath. Allowing thoughts or events or stories from the day to just fade away and to float along. And noticing how sound invites us back into the present moment again and again. Now this, hear this. And perhaps even noticing any qualities of the heart or feelings that arise as you continue to listen to sound. See the change from day to night. As your body continues to relax and rest. Checking in lightly with the overall mood. Is there access to happiness or peace? A little delight or joy? Knowing you're never really alone. Life all around us. Feeling again back into the lower part of your body. Taking a deep, full breath in. And breathing out. and wishing you a wonderful evening. Good night. Be well.